guys. There's a plane, like, with like a big rope carrying a big poster. Might be too hard to even see in the camera. Should be up here somewhere. Oh, there it is, there it is. It's about GMC. I only read GMC, which is a car. Getting further and it's getting far. Yeah, it looks like it's coming this way now.
Yeah, they just keep going round and round.
Okay, so maybe I can read more this time. Let's see. I completely lost it. I can't see it anymore. I think it's behind us. Oh, there it is. There it is. There it is. Up. I just lost it again. Yes, we've probably passed it. We had to have passed it by now. Oh, there it is, there it is. Coming up to a red light. Okay, yes. We get to see what it says. Up close, guys. Can you see what it says? I can't. I'll try to read it to you if I can. GMC. And it just says the phone number. No, it says Super Sale.
GNC is a place that sells vitamins and supplements and all that kind of stuff.
Oh, so it's not GMC.
If it's GNC, or
Yeah, it's GNC, not GMC. So yeah, and so that's, and it just says Super Sale. So that's it. Wait,
I can hear you.
it's going over us. Oh, you can see it up there. We'll be able to see it here. He's going pretty fast, but we'll be able to. I lost him. I can't see him anymore. But once this bridge lowers, then which it's now lowering, we'll be able to see it better. I still can't see it. I see it. Maybe you can see it. You guys are closer, so yet I'm looking in the screen, so. Oh, there's a poster on a pole. Completely lost it.
It's kind of up over that way.
I think we'll be able to see him in a second. Oh, there it is. Whoa, he looks like he's gonna go over us again. Well, is he? No, he's not. But we're gonna go under him. No, we're not. Yeah. Unless he turns. It seems like we're pacing him. Yeah, he might be going a little faster, but now we're pacing him. Actually, we might be a little bit faster than a plane. That's crazy talk, right?